Narrated by Abu Sa'id al-Khudri. Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, "If a person embraces Islam sincerely, then Allah shall forgive all his past sins, and after that starts the settlement of accounts. The reward of his good deeds will be 10 to 700 times for each good deed, and one evil deed will be recorded as it is unless Allah forgives it." A similar hadith has been narrated by Abu Hurairah radiallahu anha. Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, "If any one of you improve, follow strictly his Islamic religion, then his good deeds will be rewarded 10 times to 700 times for each good deed, and a bad deed will be recorded as it is."